Asparagus is one of my all-time favorite vegetables. It's such a shame that I can only buy it in spring for 1 or 2 months. But then I always make sure to stock up and also freeze them to have some for later. Hi guys, this is Agnes from Bites Fitness and this is our Food Fundamentals series. In this video we are talking about asparagus and its health benefits. Asparagus is a popular green vegetable that is used in a ton of different dishes and meals. It is known to make peas smell weird, but it also has several health benefits. Let's see how asparagus can contribute to your health. Asparagus is a great source of antioxidants. These antioxidants can help fight free radicals and reduce the damage caused by them. They can reduce inflammation and slow down the aging process. Asparagus can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Asparagus is high in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Asparagus is rich in vitamin A, C, E, and K. It is also high in essential minerals like folate and chromium. Vitamin C and E are important antioxidants to strengthen the immune system and protect cells from free radicals. Vitamin K is crucial for bone health and also it clots blood. This means that, for example, it stops excessive bleeding if you cut yourself. Asparagus is rich in folate, which is essential for pregnant women. It helps build DNA. It also helps reduce the risk of neural tube defects during pregnancy. Asparagus can be great if you want to lose weight. It is low in calories, but rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers. These fibers also help lower cholesterol levels and aid digestion. The fiber in asparagus can reduce bloating and constipation. Asparagus is a natural diuretic. It means that it makes you urinate more often, and it cleans your body from excess fluid and sodium. Women can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, which are quite common among women. You can eat asparagus on its own, or you can add it to so many dishes. I like to grill mine in the oven with olive oil, lemon juice and salt as a side dish, or just eat it on its own as a snack. This grilled asparagus goes amazing with baked salmon. Or I cut it into pieces, cook it, and add it to a fresh veggie mix bowl or a green veggie pasta. It is also important to trim your asparagus before you prepare it. Just snap off the woody ends where they naturally break and use the top of the veggie. You can also use the end of it for an asparagus cream soup. This way you won't have any waste. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also send it to a friend who might like it as well. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily. See you in the next one! At Bites Fitness we help those who are living a healthy lifestyle and make time to cook for themselves by providing health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, then make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.